Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You should know upfront, Apple does not support installing Android on iPhone hardware, and attempting to force it risks bricking your device and voiding warranty. Once we accept that limitation, focus on safe, legal options. You can prepare by backing up iPhone data, creating an Apple ID recovery plan, and researching emulation or remote access services that give an Android-like interface. This approach explains how to get Android features without jailbreaking or illegal modification. Keeping your phone functional, and instead of risky flashing, try a cloud Android emulator or remote desktop to an Android virtual machine. This gives you an authentic app environment without touching iPhone firmware. Once done, install Android-like launchers or launcher-style apps on iOS and customize widgets and shortcuts to mimic Android workflows. Make sure to sign into the same accounts across devices, enable backups, and grant only necessary permissions. These steps provide practical Android functionality while preserving iPhone security and warranty. Complete your experiment by confirming backups and syncing settings, then remove any temporary access tokens or profiles you created. If the remote or emulated Android feels slow, lower the display resolution, reduce frame rate, or close other host apps. These changes often fix lag. If something goes wrong, do not attempt firmware hacks. Restore your iPhone from the backup you made and contact Apple or authorized service for repair. This single troubleshooting tip preserves your device and data while you explore Android features safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.